Hi guys, this is a 2018 X5, the last generation, the F15. Today we're gonna just do a simple oil change. So if you open the hood, the filter is right here. So you will need a socket for that. So this is the socket that you need. This one, I think is if you just Google a BMW oil filter, it's gonna pop out. It's just this. So you put this on here, okay, right here. So that's tight. So usually what I do, I crack the oil filter housing first. So then I can let the oil drain a bit while I was doing other stuff. So after you crack this one loose, I usually just turn it until you can see the gasket. Then you just let it drain. Don't take it out yet. So right now we're gonna go underneath. I'm gonna show you where the drain plug is. So if you look underneath the X5, there's 3 holes. So the one you want to look for is this one. This is big, small. The small one that come with a 17 mil, that's what you want to undo. That's the drain plug. So then what you want to do, you're going to take a tool, just go here, and then you want to loosen it. So you drain the oil on this thing. So then it's around 6.5 liters. So make sure your bucket is big enough for the oil. And then at this point we can go up, and then we can actually take this filter out. I'm gonna drain for a bit right there, and then we're gonna replace that filter right here. So this is an oil filter, the part number for main filter, this one, and also it come with seal and gaskets, right? So then if you see the oil filter, you can remove this O-ring, and then remove the filter, and then remove this little guy too. So one of the most important thing about oil changes is that on the drain plug there's this cross washer. Make sure you replace this with a new one, and then we're gonna torque it to 25 Newton meter. Right here. After that, give it a good clean up right there, and then that's it. Nice and easy. That's how you do oil change. And last, you want to put in 6.5 liters of 0W30, just right in there with a funnel so you don't spill. So after you putting 6.5 liters, and you can take it out, and then yeah, that's it. It's a BMW oil change. So after you add the engine oil with 6.5 liters, go ahead and start the car. Right, so then right now we're just gonna lower the car on the ramp like that, and then what we're gonna do, we actually gonna have to run the car for a bit. What you're gonna do, you press the menu button, and then you can scroll to vehicle. After you go vehicle, you go vehicle status, and then you're gonna go to engine oil level. So you're gonna press measure engine oil level, and you're gonna say start measuring. So it's gonna run through that. I think what happened is that the RPM goes up, and then it's calculated between the oil temperature and the oil pressure to see if that oil level is okay. So then right now we're just gonna weigh 27:30. So if you don't have the option that you will say if the measure engine oil level is gray, that means your car is not hot enough. So then just idle the car, let's say for like a good 5 minutes, then you should be able to have the option. Another possibility is that you might be on a slope like your driveway, so make sure you're parked level, then your car will give you the option to do it. Okay, so 100%, and you can see right here the engine oil level is over there. So to me that's really good, because then if you feel all the way up, then obviously in the summer then it's gonna be a little much, but then yeah, that's about it. And then after that we can shut it off. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cycle 1, and we're gonna key on. Now we're gonna clear this service light. All right, yeah, it's pretty cool here in Canada. So you want to be in this menu. Let's say, see, you can press this. So you want to get to the mileage. All right, so you can press the BC button, then you can go to the odometer right here, and then you press and hold like this. Keep holding, don't worry. Okay, once you see this, you let go, and then if you keep pressing, you can actually see, hey, you can actually reset all these. Okay, so we're just gonna reset the engine oil, so we're gonna hold it down again, let go, and hold it down. So you'll see resetting progress, and then you let go. So that's just successful. So then that's it. That's how you do a oil change on the X5.